What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Chevy Trailblazer remote key fob. This Chevy Trailblazer key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and I'm going to take a look at the bottom of it. This is the slot right here that this key just slid out of. So what I'm going to do is take my key and just stick the very end of it in that slot, maybe about that much, maybe even a little bit less. So put about that much in there, just the end of the key, and then I'm going to pry up. And as I do that, you can see it opens the case. Go ahead and pull the back cover off, and in that cover we see our battery right here. And I'm going to use the end of this key to get on the edge of the battery and pop it out of this holder like that. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. Go ahead and snap it down in that holder, and then we can snap the two halves back together. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.